What tools do you use to create characters?
Yeah, the tools that I use to create characters are people that I've met. That's it. I mean, that's really it. I think, for both Sarah and I, we might have an idea of a character that we'd like to create, but still, no matter what, we have to draw on personal stuff, and it always feels like it works the best for us. So that's really our style, is like to create characters. The tools are just people we've met, interesting people, and it doesn't even have to be like a long relationship but it's just like, you remember that one person at that one party who kept on doing this one really interesting thing, or you remember that time we went out to a restaurant and there was that couple and they kept on, cheersing a bunch of times, or just like there's always like these weird moments. And it kind of goes back to like, we were talking like having our antennas on. And I think that certainly for us, I can speak for us, but like I think for all writers and even actors, I think, especially like observing people is huge. It's like you draw on what you've seen or what you've experienced, and then you kind of modify that in a way and put it back into your own work, and it just makes it so much more personal, and then I think it makes it real, So that's our big tool for characters.